How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how we can fix that issue. So without any delay, let's start. For that, you may open up your WhatsApp application and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, all you gotta do is, first thing you can do is refresh your app. For that, if your app is open, you can close it up completely. And then go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application again. And then go over to the update section. And go ahead and view the status. This is one of the methods you can apply up in order to view your updates. Another thing what you can do is simply long press on the WhatsApp application and then go to the info section at the top. And then after going to info section, what you can do is scroll down, go over to storage, and then from storage clear cache and see if it fixes the issue or not. Apart from that, you can also try uninstalling the application and again reinstalling it. Otherwise, you can update your app to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store application. And then once you open up the Play Store, go to the search. And then go ahead and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. The next thing is you can also look for internet connection, because that may be the issue. If you're having that issue, you can switch up to different connections and see that. So for now, you can follow up these steps in order to fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.